Hi, good morning. It's Nick Kaiser, Mustache Approved Remodeling, back out here in Gilbert at our friends Matt and Patty's house. We are doing a final walk on this project. Want to show you, you can hear an echo in here because they don't have their furniture in. We just added a bunch of tile and stuff, but once they get that furniture in here and a rug, it's really gonna tamper that down a bit. So you can see how this looks. Floors turned out amazing. So he's going to bring his own painter in here that's going to paint this room. We painted the bathroom. We did the full bathroom. So again, if you've been following along, you'll remember there was a small shower here and a tub right behind it. There was a pony wall, which is a half wall like this, but in the middle between the tub and the shower. We removed that and we made this large walk-in shower. We got this step-up area with a bench seat, and we used a couple rope hooks there to hang your towels. You can see how flat that clip system really makes that tile. I mean, there's no lippage anywhere. Really makes it almost perfect. So we use these clips on large format tiles, anything over 12 by 12. You could do them on 8 by 8, but it gets pretty tight. But you can see how really nice it shakes it out. In the shower pan, we use a flat pebble stone. That is the warm blend from Arizona Tile. All the tile in here is from Arizona Tile. The cabinets, we went with Solid Cabinetry, and they are out of Chandler, Arizona. Really love how those turned out. They look so nice with the colors that they chose. The palette really works well together. It's hard to see in this video, but this veining really ties in well with that color. So this is the Blondie Maple from the Select series. And then we added a new toilet. This one's extra tall. You can see it has an extra couple inches on there for a nice tall toilet. New exhaust fan and new can light. We did add can lighting above the shower to really brighten it up in here. For the niche, we did the glass shelf right in the middle, one of our signatures that we do a lot of times. Really looks nice and clean. And then on this glass panel that went in yesterday, we took it to the top of the tile. Really looked clean. In this situation, we're stuck to how far we can build this out according to that wall right there. So you can see we brought the tile all the way over to the edge of that wall. But that kind of made this shower is a little bit narrow for as long as it is. So what we end up doing is sliding this glass out to the outer edge of that pony wall to have a bigger feel, especially for your upper body. So that really helps to open it up in here. Again, we have the shower valve there that fires up that shower head, and then we have a separate setup for this handheld right there, which is nice because if you're ever cleaning, you can grab this and it reaches over here to this platform area and you can spray that off if you ever wanted to. So that's it, new exhaust fan there, and we did pop in a new can light in the closet. They did run their flooring into the closet. That's it for this one. We do have a couple little minor things we got to pop back by just to do a little paint touch up. The customer's getting some new shutters. We're going to have to caulk around that. Once those go in, they're going to be the exact same size as the original shutters, but they're going to be like a different type of composite that's waterproof. So anyway, thanks for following along. There will be a playlist, a series that goes along with this video. So if you want to see it from start to finish, go ahead and look for that on our playlist on YouTube. All right, thanks for watching. We'll see you on the next one. All right, bye.